Alright folks, ever been left stranded, leg swinging, with a stubborn Kickstarter? Yeah, it's a real bummer, a definite drag. But don't you worry, because today, we're diving headfirst into how to diagnose and fix a stuck Kickstarter. And the best part? It's easier than you think. Plus, we'll have a bit of fun along the way, right? First things first, let's talk about the symptoms. Your Kickstarter is stuck. Obvious, right? But is it completely locked up, like you're trying to move a mountain? Or does it move a little bit, maybe with a thunk? Does the engine turn over at all? These little details are like clues, Sherlock. They tell us what might be going on inside that mechanical heart of your ride. Let's break down the easy diagnosis. First suspect, cold weather. Yup, it sounds simple, but trust me, it's a common one. If it's freezing outside, your oil might be thicker than molasses on a winter day. This extra thick oil can cause the engine to drag and the Kickstarter to refuse to budge. No matter how hard you stomp. A quick fix? Try warming up the engine. Run it for a few minutes if you can. Or let it sit in a slightly warmer environment, like a garage if possible. Boom! Problem solved. Easy peasy. Next up, we got the classic seized engine. If your Kickstarter is rock solid, like a concrete block, this could very well be the culprit. Now, before you start panicking and envisioning a complete engine teardown, let's explore this possibility. Did the bike sit for a while, maybe during the off-season? Did it sit outside, exposed to the elements? Did rain get in and cause some sneaky rust to form? These are all potential engine seizing situations. Try rocking the bike back and forth in gear, applying gentle pressure. You might be able to break it free. Careful not to drop it. Of course, safety first. Also, if you're brave enough, you can take off the spark plug and see if the piston is seized by trying to turn the engine over from the flywheel or drive sprocket. But use caution and don't force anything. Now, let's consider the Kickstarter mechanism itself. This is where things can get a little more mechanical. Sometimes the Kickstarter itself can get sticky or gunked up with old grease and grime. Try lubricating the Kickstarter shaft where it goes into the engine. A little penetrating oil can work wonders to free things up. Be gentle though, we don't want to break anything. Give it a good spray and let it sit for a bit. Another culprit? A flooded engine. If you've been having trouble starting the bike recently, and the engine is flooded with fuel, a hydraulic lock can occur, making the Kickstarter immovable. In this case, you might need to try starting the bike with the throttle wide open to clear the excess fuel. Be cautious here, because there's a possibility that unburned fuel can ignite. So make sure you're in a well-ventilated area and avoid sparks as much as possible. Now, for those of you feeling a bit brave, let's look at some internal engine issues. A bent valve or a broken piston ring can cause major headaches and a stuck Kickstarter. But don't jump to conclusions just yet. These issues usually come with other symptoms, like loss of power, strange noises, or excessive smoke. Time for a professional? Maybe, if the easy fixes don't cut it. So there you have it, folks. The easy diagnosis guide for a stuck Kickstarter. Remember to start simple, and rule out the easy fixes first. Cold weather, lubrication, and flooded engines are usually the easiest culprits to address. If all else fails, don't be afraid to consult a mechanic. Stay safe, have fun, and keep those Kickstarters kicking. Don't let a stuck Kickstarter ruin your day. Ride on!